Hello, welcome back to Time Capsule Totally Random. I haven't done one of these in a while, so this is like a little video that doesn't really fit anywhere else, but I thought it was kind of neat. So my youngest son, who's 10, knows how to solve Rubik's Cubes. So I got one here that he's already solved. As long as I don't drop it and whatever, you can see it's already solved. I'm going to mess it up so it's perfectly, unbiased. And I'm going to have a timer so you can see how long it takes him to do it, for one, and that I did not speed up the video, for two. So I'm going to mess it up for him right now. Just kind of get it to where it's somewhat... And then we'll see how it looks once I get it going. I would say this looks pretty good. So we got it all mixed up like that. So I'm gonna hand it to him. He's gonna wait till I hit the start and he's gonna go to town on it. Ready, set, go. Yeah, I've seen him do this. Once he gets the groove going, it goes pretty quick. There's a certain little method that he does. He might share it with you guys. Dog's drinking in the background if you hear anything. She drinks a lot. Like mesmerizing when he does it. There we go. You guys can probably see the time when, he actually stopped it. I'll put probably the time in there, but it was probably right around 2 minutes, I'd say. It took me a little while to realize he stopped and hit the stopper. So, a little over 2 minutes. I like to see some adults beat that if you know how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So what's your secret to doing it? Do you have like a pattern you do? Is it like you look at see where certain ones are and then do a certain twist?
You start with the white cross, which you have to take these four pieces, put them down there on these four places, and you also have to match those parts of these places. Every single one has one with the same center color, and then you do the corners, which you use this move, which is, if you repeat it, it doesn't mess up the cube. You have to do it 6 times. It's up, then left, down, right. And
that's just crazy looking.
There's another one for the left hand. So the left hand's up, right, down, left.
Yeah, it's confusing. Like, I still don't even get it.
Then you have to get these pieces right here, which you have to. They're up here, and then you have to see which ones. These pieces here have no yellow. They usually up here, but you have to find them that has no yellow. You have to match the color that's facing downwards towards the white with the center color. Then you the other color, whatever color that is, you have to, if it's like that color, then you have to move it over and away from it. Then you do your right hand, which you only have to do it once, but I'm doing it more than once. Then you do your left hand like this. And then you redo that until you solve that part. Then you want the yellow cross, which you turn this side, and then you do this clination.
Wow.
And then,
I'm watching it go like in and out, whatever. It's pretty crazy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it right here, and then I'll show you like what he's doing over top. I'll hold it there. Alright, so this is the top view of like what he's talking about solving it, like if it's messed up.
This is one combination.
That's one combination move.
Then your left hand one.
If you go the opposite way, see it messes it up, but then it solves it too over time.
Yeah, which you
Now
have to
do it
do
in
this.
slow motion after you solve it again.
You have to do it 6 times like this.
Okay. Now do it slow, like so. Show like if it's messed up, like get it messed up, that part, and then when you solve it, you go.
You just continue doing that move like this.
Like goes up, left, down.
Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, up, left, down, up, left, down.
Like that.
Oh, I'm gonna find where it is.
All right.
Left hand one's up, right, down. I'm slower with my left hand one because I'm right-handed.
Well, yeah. I'm amazed you can even do it. Alrighty. Well, that's all we got for this. So what are you gonna say?
Bye.
Bye. Alright. Till next time.